Ulipata?
We are happy with the progress. We are working very closely with other agencies of government, with Kenya Power, with the water agencies, with the ICT ministry to ensure that there are no bottlenecks and that the project will be delivered to the quality and to the standards that Kenyans expect. We have seen Kenyans suffering on this road. We have seen the traffic situations. We have seen accidents and experienced the road safety issues. So this corridor is extremely important because it's going to come and it's going to provide solutions to all these challenges.
On the CRBC section, we are maybe about 15%. On the Shandong side, we are still about maybe 10%. But progress is well, as you have heard from our chair, and we hope to finish by June 2027.